There is a language spoken not with words, but with whispers, a symphony of rustling leaves, flowing rivers, and the distant call of the wind. This is the voice of nature, ancient, untamed, and eternal. Close your eyes and listen. Feel the rhythm of the earth beneath your feet. Every droplet of rain, every golden ray of sunlight, it all tells a story of time, of patience, of life. Beyond the noise of the world, there lies a place untouched by time, where the mountains stand tall and the rivers carve their endless path. Here, silence is not empty, it's full of meaning. Nature moves at its own pace. It does not rush, does not pause, yet in every moment it creates something breathtaking. And as the night embraces the land, the stars remind us that we are but a small part of something infinite. This is the whisper of nature. Can you hear it?